Ranking high on search engines like Google requires perfect SEO titles and descriptions for every single product in your store. But if you have hundreds or thousands of WooCommerce products, writing these manually is a full-time job. Today, we are going to change that. With WP Sheet Editor AI, you can use generative AI to bulk write optimized SEO content for your entire store in minutes, increasing your productivity and your sales. To follow along, you will need the WP Sheet Editor product spreadsheet, the AI extension, and an API key from a provider like OpenAI. First, we need to configure the AI. Go to WP Sheet Editor, AI, and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select your provider. Then, enter the model key and a custom API name. Paste your API key in the field below and set the model context length. Finally, in the Purpose section, make sure to check the boxes for chat, add new rows, edit cells, and bulk edits so you can use the AI everywhere. Now that we are connected, let's create global prompts. These are reusable templates, so you don't have to type instructions every time. Move to the Prompts tab and click Add New. Let's name this one SEO title. In the prompt box, we'll tell the AI to generate a concise title using specific product data like the product name, color, and size. Repeat this process for your SEO description, asking the AI to write a compelling summary under 155 characters. Once you save it, pay attention to the prompt slug. This is your magic shortcut. Now, open the WooCommerce product spreadsheet. You have a bird's eye view of your entire store. For this tutorial, we're managing Yoast SEO fields, but keep in mind that WP Sheet Editor is fully compatible with Rank Math, All-in-One SEO, and other SEO plugins. To optimize a single product, go to the SEO title column. You have two options here. You can type AI, followed by your custom instructions, like write a funny title for this product. Or use the shortcut we just created. Just type AI, followed by the slug SEO-title. The AI will read your product details and write a perfect SEO title. You can copy-paste that shortcut into multiple cells to generate multiple SEO titles simultaneously. Now, let's go bigger. Let's fix every product that is missing a description. First, open the Search tool. Enable advanced filters and search for products where the SEO description is empty. Click Run Search. Now that we have filtered our products, open the Bulk Edit tool. Select Edit All Rows from my current search. Choose the SEO description field. For the type of edit, you can either select AI Prompt to type a custom instruction right now, or select AI Command to choose the global prompt we created earlier. Click Execute Now. The AI is now working in the background, writing unique, keyword-rich descriptions for hundreds of products at once. You can even use this to rewrite existing content. Just tell the AI to refine this title to be more engaging, and it will polish what you already have. Stop wasting time on manual data entry. Transform your WooCommerce SEO strategy today with WP Sheet Editor AI. Check the links in the description to read the written guide to this tutorial, learn more about WP Sheet Editor AI, or get live chat assistance at wpsheeteditor.com.